Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a project I did during this quarantine. It's really simple bookshelves for my son's room. What you'll need is a circular saw, a cordless screwdriver as well, and some clamps, and a measuring tape. So I basically did this project using things that I had around the house. I had some dog-eared fence and some Gothic fence pickets, so I used those. The measurements are on the screen. I also used 120 and 80 grit sandpaper, some countersinking screws. So I took one of my French Gothic picket wood pieces and I measured it at 23.5 inches, and then I drew a right triangle to kind of visualize where I needed to cut. So then after that I did a miter cut on the angle. I took my second French Gothic picket and I also cut that at a bevel cut, and I cut it at 20 inches. Lastly, I measured my dog-eared fence picket at 24 inches and I cut that also at a 45-degree angle, a bevel cut. So last minute I decided to cut off another 2 inches from that piece of wood because it was too tall on the back. So I just did a rip cut lengthwise. I grabbed all 3 of my wood pieces and I just grabbed 2 of the clamps and made sure everything was nice and aligned. So you want to have your front and your back piece be a bevel cut and your middle piece have a miter cut. If you happen to have a pilot drill, definitely use it to avoid splitting the wood. And then you just want to screw in your screws. I had this special driver called a Torx bit and it came with the screw box, so this combo is great for this project. When you're working in the angles, you want to make sure to scoot in your screw just to make sure that it doesn't stick out when you drill it in. So then you just mark it and send it. I ended up screwing 2 screws in the front and 2 screws in the back. I then went over it with the 80 grit sandpaper followed by the 120 grit sandpaper. I wanted to soften up the look, so I kind of rounded off some of the edges. So again, since this was our COVID craft, I didn't have everything I needed, so I used plumbers putty instead of the wood filler, and I think it worked pretty good. So that was a before and after, and I just covered the screw holes and just finished off with some more sanding. I didn't stain it because I just wanted it this natural wood color, and so we picked a spot and hubby helped me find the studs and we just screwed it in, and this is the final project. I hope you guys enjoy it. And so we ended up doing 4 sets, so obviously the other cuts you want to do it on the other side. But basically that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this project and try it out yourselves. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!